Well, here we are now 2 weeks away from Christmas. Still plenty of time to shop, but delivery deadlines are very near. The Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle is here with a look. Dana, what can you tell us?
Well, listen, next week for some deliveries, that's your deadline. So let's start with UPS because we got a lot to talk about. Now, many of you have complained in recent weeks that your packages through UPS have been arriving late. Well, UPS delivers for Amazon and Walmart. They're huge, and boy, did they get behind from this year's Cyber Monday sales. The shipping giant says, though, no worries, it's catching up. Here are the UPS holiday shipping deadlines for you. Mark December 18th on your calendar for 3-day shipments, December 20th for 2-day delivery, and December 22nd for next day. Note that this doesn't accommodate every zip code, so you got to check first. Okay, let's take a look at FedEx, December 15th. That is your deadline for ground shipments. That's just days away. Home delivery, the 18th. Next day, the 19th, is Express Saver. Then you've got the 20th for the deadline for 2-day shipments. And the last day for overnight is December 21st. Of course, you will pay for that. Now, some packages will be delivered on the 23rd, but there is a $16 fee per package. Check with FedEx for details on that. Finally, the U.S. Post Office. I know many of the neighborhood online threads have been revealing complaints for months about no mail delivery, mail delivered to the wrong address, no carrier assigned. That is unsettling. I get it with holiday mail delivery right upon us. When pressed about this, the Post Office Communications Department wrote this to us. We've recently hired seasonal workers, and they say they're flexing their network into early mornings and evenings, even Sundays, to ensure timely delivery. So here are the deadlines for the Post Office. The list is long, so I'll attach a link to the story online. But here are the highlights for when you're going to get those 15 billion packages where they need to be. December 14th is the deadline for retail ground. 2 days after that, first class packages. December 19th, first class mail. The 20th is the deadline for priority mail. The 22nd, that's it for priority mail express. Again, the closer you get to Christmas, the more it's going to cost you, Sharon.
And Dana, did the post office say or give any information of why they had all these issues?
No. And, you know, I still see these being posted on social media that they're having these issues, and I was unable to talk to anyone on the phone. They will only communicate with questions now through email, which makes it a little more challenging to get the information, but I've not been able to get to the bottom of it. So call the post office. If you've got a problem, let them know. Keep them honest.
All right. Dana, thank you so much.